Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the next application note, AN-013, which covers how to update the firmware in the OPS 241, 242, and 243 radar sensors. From time to time, we provide code updates with new features and/or fixes for our radar sensors. We'll show you how the embedded code in our short-range radar sensors can easily be updated to take advantage of these enhancements. For this code update, you will need a JTAG programmer, 2 micro USB cables, a PC-based code flashing tool, and of course an OPS radar sensor. Today I'll be using the OPS 241B FMCW radar sensor to show you how to update the code. Here's a low-cost JTAG programmer you can use that is relatively inexpensive and available from Adafruit. For the PC-based code flashing tool, OmniPreSense uses XMC FLASHER provided by Infineon. This is a free tool and it's available on their website. We'll be sure to include links to the JTAG programmers and XMC FLASHER download in the description box below. To check the current version of your OPS sensor's code, type the AP command !, which gives you the sensor information. You can see that the current version is 1.0.5. You can check back here to confirm you've successfully updated the code. To begin the update process, let's start with installing the XMC FLASHER program. Step 1 is to go to the Infineon link provided in the application note or down below and scroll down to the page to find the section named Programmer/Flash Tools, which is under XMC Development Tools, Ecosystem, and Software. Click on the plus to expand the list and scroll down to the Infineon section. Click on the link provided to download the XMC FLASHER. You'll want to follow the instructions for installation that come with the download. The next step is connecting the JTAG programmer's connector to the JTAG connector J6 on the module located near the middle of the board. The connector is keyed so it can only connect in one direction. Next, plug in the USB connector of the JTAG programmer into the USB port of the PC. If the ribbon cable that came with the Segger programmer was not plugged in, connect it now. Since the connector of the programmer is not keyed, it should be mounted so that the cable goes away from the programmer board as shown. Plug in the USB micro cable into the module and the other end into the USB port of the PC. This provides power to the module during the program update. Now you can start the XMC FLASHER on the PC. Open XMC FLASHER wherever you have it stored. A pop-up window like this will appear. Make sure the XMC FLASHER debug port configuration is set up for serial wire bug, not JTAG. The interface setup is found under Configuration and then Setup. Make sure that the Reset and Verify Content After Programming box is also checked off. With the module connected to the PC, press the Connect button on the XMC FLASHER. A pop-up window like this will appear. For the OPS 241 and OPS 242, scroll down and select the XMC 4200-256 and press OK. For the OPS 243, select the XMC 4500-1024. The window will change and show the connected status as connected here. Additional information about the device will be shown, including the unique chip ID here. Next, click on the Select file and browse to the location of the hex file with the code to be updated on the OPS 241, 242, or 243. The name of the file will show up under the Select File button. Contact OmniPreSense customer service through email at customerservice@omnipresense.com to obtain the latest code version. You can check out our website for the latest version of each sensor, available on the application page. Press the Program button to start the flashing process. A status box will appear while the flashing is in process. Typically, this only takes a few seconds to complete the flashing process. Upon a successful reflashing, a pop-up window will appear indicating a success. Click OK, and then you can click the Disconnect button. The sensor can now be unplugged from the JTAG programmer and PC. Do not press the Erase button, as OmniPreSense saves factory settings in some sensors. Pressing the Erase button will clear those out, as well as any persistent memory settings which have been saved. You can confirm the programming was successful by plugging the board back into the USB port on the PC. Using Terraterm or other terminal programs, you can validate that the new code is programmed and runs properly. When we press !?) to report the board information, you can see here that the version number is updated. Our prior version was 1.0.5, and now you can see it's version 1.0.6. We have now officially updated an OPS short-range radar sensor. For other tutorials on our application notes, please be sure to check out our previous videos. Follow us on our social media and stay up to date on what's going on at OmniPreSense. Thanks for watching.